Saurophaganax maximus from Jurassic World. Well, I don't know if this image is from Jurassic World, but another big carnivore. It kind of looks like Allosaurus. Very similar. Because it's got those sort of fins on its head, right? So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. Start with the eye, grain of rice, or a lemon shape, just here. Like so. And it looks like it has a circular pupil. But sometimes it's cool to give carnivores like slit line eyes. What to do? I'll go pupil. We'll go normal. We'll just go normal on this one. Okay. And then we got some eyelid lines. Texture lines around the eye. And then we have this big sort of frown section just coming around here. So again, so we have this like big vent or fin or something at the front of the eye here. So like starts this way and like comes up. Like so. Right, and you've got all these spikes and stuff just coming along here. And eventually goes down towards the nose. Like that. Right, and then it's connected to the snout here. It comes around this way. Right, and this has like texture lines coming up it like this, right? So the forehead, top of the head sort of goes back this way to another sort of spike at the back here. And then we have another sort of bony like section inside. And then it comes down the back of the head, the back of the mouth to there. So lots of textures and things on these. Like so. So then the front of the nose comes out, down like that, and then it curves back for the top lip. Bends up and down a couple of times, back to the back of the jaw. Then they have another bony section, so it's like another like face sort of shape or something here. And then the nostril just here at the front. Add a few textures. I think I can see like an ear or something here, like a black hole for an ear. And then we have a lip line, so it's just this sort of bumpy thing that comes along the top lip. And this is divided up into lines like this. And like you can add like these sort of circles together, 3 or 4 like that, just to show skin, and then like broken lines around everywhere else, just for texture. Much of that as you want to do now. So we can see that fin just around the other side of his head as well. like so. Right, so then the jawbone. So for the bottom jaw, curve starts to curve here, comes down, in, and up. Open real wide. And then this goes up the other side, connects back up here, and then we have that piece of skin that connects both jaws, keeps them together. And you'll have like texture lines just on this as well. And then a lip line there. Just like the top here, you'll just add these dividing lines there, and like a scar. Sometimes it's good to do scars. And some textures just on this. Broken lines following the shape. So we see teeth at the top. We can see some just around the inside of these on the other side of the mouth. And then we have the other side of the mouth, the lip skin thing here. The inside of the mouth, like so. Tongue. Sticking out there. Right, and then we have all teeth on the inside of the mouth here, right? So it kind of like bumps around because we can see them where they connect to the gum, right? So you gotta like bump it like that. And then you can add your teeth then. And then the rest of the teeth come up from the inside of the mouth here. And like some gum lines and stuff inside here. And you can see kind of the mouth or the cheek on the other side, this sort of section, this sort of skin section there. Okay, so neck comes out from this fin up here, right? So it goes up and curves around. It's kind of like running towards us as well. So we can see like another neckline. Just say here, and like here as well. It kind of joins the body and the shoulder. And the back goes down here. So we're front on for the body, the head's turned to the side. There's all spikes that come down the back as well. So we can just see like some neck muscle lines just coming down here, and some like, you know, veins and things. So I'm darkening up these neck veins because usually they are darker. So it just makes them look, they stand out a little bit more. So then we have a shoulder muscle here. Right, it's kind of like a love heart sort of shape. Wants to give you a big hug. Right, just like shoulder muscle, and then tricep, bicep, the elbow comes down to the forearm, which just has like all these claws on them. Right, but we'll just get the other shoulder, so like another sort of, I guess, love heart sort of shape. And then bicep, tricep, and then like small little forearm down to there. And then this becomes just like fingers, right? So like big claws on the end. 3 fingers each hand, claw sticking off here. And then same sort of thing on this side. So again, like skin, claw. Big spiky claw. And then this goes back this way. And then the last finger here. Okay. So we can just see some legs, right? So like his thigh down into the arm there, and then the calf comes out that way, and then like the belly runs all the way down and becomes like the tail, right? So you can see like chest muscles here, right? And then the belly sort of hangs down under here. And then the tail goes underneath this way, and then kind of goes around his body and like swings out somewhere here, right? So you can put this anywhere, but it comes out from his mouth kind of on this side, and that'll have all textures on it. And then the inside of his leg comes down behind his hand here, and the other leg, so it's kind of like raised up walking, so thigh there, and like his calf muscle, and then like his leg, so that's like the knee, and then the foot comes down here. We can see like one of his toes kind of with a spike on it. Like that. Right, and then there's all spikes on the head, right? So like just all these sharp little spikes. You can do them any style sort of spike you want. I'll just copy what the picture is. They get kind of rounder, more spread out then. We seem to have another layer of them here. Right. And then we just add like textures all over. So easiest way to do this is just like broken lines following the shape. It's a vector. So you're just curving these over, say like his arm, for instance. Right, like that, just following the shape and then curve it down. Just these broken lines crisscrossing one another. And then some on his neck here. Anywhere you want, as much as you want. Crisscrossing texture lines. So they're kind of tricky to get the hang of, I guess, if you've never done them before. But once you do, they're super easy. You're just crisscrossing these lines, broken. Like that. So that is how to draw, what's his name again? Saurophaganax maximus. Some name. Big carnivore. Right, I'll leave it there. Oh, wait. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.